Hello guys, so we can get another question. The limit, the limit p, let's limit x tending to pi in denominator x square plus pi x plus 2 pi square pi in denominator x minus pi plus 2 sin x has the finite value of real alpha. मतलब the finite values of alpha. So alpha finite value, we get the real values of the p. So find the values of alpha and the corresponding values of the p. So we can find the values of alpha first and then we can find the limit value. This also came into the GATE 2020 question, a 2022 question. So for that we can, if we get, so limit value p is equal to limit x tending to pi x square plus alpha x plus 2 pi square upon x minus pi plus 2 sin x. So if we put the values of x into this equation, so we get pi square plus pi x plus 2 pi square by pi minus pi plus 2 sin pi. So we know that sin pi gives us the values as 0. So we get here and here pi square and pi square, 3 pi square plus pi x by pi minus pi, so we get still out 3 pi square by plus pi x by 0. So we get in here we get the finite value. So x is for that, we if we get the finite value, so here we can get, so if we get the finite value we not get that the 0, so we can get the 0 by 0 form. So for finite value, for getting finite value, so in denominator portion 3 pi square plus pi x value must be is equal to 0. So must be 0. So for that we get 0 by 0 form. So if we eh, calculate the values of x here, so pi x is equal to minus 3 pi square, or x value from here we can get minus 3 pi. So for the finite real value, so if we get that the x value is minus 3 pi, so for here we get that, so from here we get that alpha value. So values of alpha is minus 3 pi. So if we get values of alpha is equal to 3 pi, we get that the 0 by 0 form. So if we put it over the values of the here, so limit is tending to pi x square plus alpha value is minus 3 pi, so minus 3 pi into x plus 2 pi square upon x minus pi plus 2 sin x. So for here we get that the 0 by 0 form. So we can easily apply L'Hospital method. L'Hospital method for the given equation. L'Hospital method for the equation. So if we apply L'Hospital method, so we get limit extending to pi. We can apply first time derivative of numerator and denominator. So 2x minus 3 pi plus 0, 2 pi square gets 0. So from denominator we get 1 minus 0 in sin x, in first time derivative gets cos x, so 2 into cos x. So from here we can get that, from here we can get that, from here we can get limit x tending to pi 2x minus 3 pi by 1 plus 2 cos x. So if we put the values of pi here, so we get, we get 2 pi minus 3 pi upon 1 plus 2 cos pi. So we know that cos 0 is getting the value is 1 and cos pi getting the values of minus 1. So we can easily get that 2 pi minus 3 pi is minus pi by 1 minus 2 into minus 1. So we get minus pi and minus 1. So easily cancel out the minus. So we get pi. So for this question, the answer is the values of alpha is equal to minus 3 pi and the limit value of p is pi. This is the answer of the given question. Thanks for watching.